Welcome to TeamGuru tutorial how to use and create safety alerts. Safety alerts raise instant awareness about a safety problem or near-miss accident. This module helps you to communicate easily with all relevant people and to quickly eliminate the safety risks. To create new safety alerts, please click on our Safety Alerts module on the left side and from drop-down menu, select Safety Alerts. Here you have to select the folder where you would like to create your safety alert, and to create new safety alert, please click on the green plus button in the right upper corner. And setting up a new safety alert document is pretty simple and self-explanatory. First, you write in your title, then you choose the leader from the menu. Also, document administrators, they are going to be the ones along with leader. They can change settings of your safety alert document. You can also decide if you would like to protect settings of your document and not to share with public, but only with invited users. And from the menu, once again, you just choose your users. And now we can move on and to define our safety alert and all its details, starting with location, incident date, and so on. It is not necessary to fill out all those fields. It's up to you and your internal communications which fields you would like to have completed. When you scroll down, you will also see that you are able to add picture and attachments. Whom to inform. Here you will select individuals that you would like to be informed about the safety alert. You can either choose user groups or just the employees from the menu. User groups, if you need to create the user group, let's say that you just have a group of people that you would like to be in charge of some safety alerts for your department, you can just go to settings in upper right corner and then you will set up your user group right here. And after you select all employees that need to be informed about your safety alert, all these users will receive email notification along with PDF attachment of your safety alert document. And when we scroll back up, you will also see incident type, incident severity, and incident area. All these three fields you are able to customize and modify. You will see that you have some choices already in your menu, but you can always create new ones. And to do so, you will have to go to Safety Alerts module, and from the menu you will select the ones that you want to create or edit. And then you will see all the other fields that you can complete if you decide to do so. Once you are done, you just scroll all the way up and click Save and View button. And now here you will see all your details of your document. Here is very important, whenever you create a new safety alert document, after you are done, you have to send new alert notification and you have to click on it. It doesn't do it automatically. You have to do it when you are ready. So now we just have to click Send New Alert Notification. And after we send in you alert notifications, let me show you different example. Once your document is done, you send a new alert notification and then you go back and make any modifications. You will see that now it asks for send alert update notification, and it is the same case. Once again, if you modify your document, you have to come here and click on it so all the parties will receive all the notifications. So it's not done automatically, you have to do it. And you are also able to add corrective and preventive actions, example right here. And it's the same procedure as before, you just click on the green plus button and add actions. And that's pretty much it for today's tutorial. If you have any questions or need any assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@teamguru.com. We would be very happy to hear from you.